How to use Walmart gift card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use your Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to use your Walmart or redeem your Walmart gift card online, it's very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply make sure to go ahead and then launch the Walmart application here. Once you launch the Walmart app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface, where what you have to do is, of course, you want to make sure to tap the account icon that is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And as you tap the account icon from the bottom right, over here you'll be able to find this option known as wallet, where you want to simply make sure to tap on it. Once you tap the wallet option over here, you'll find this option known as gift card. So you want to make sure to just tap on the gift card button. Once you tap the gift card option, all you have to do is, in order to redeem or use your Walmart gift card, just make sure to enter your gift card number, your PIN, as well as also your gift card nickname. Once you've entered all those, you can simply enter your physical gift card, whatever else it is that you have. Tap the save card option, and then you'll be able to successfully use your Walmart gift card. Next time whenever you're shopping for your product, you can use a gift card to simply pay them. This way you can basically redeem or use your Walmart gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.